Oh, look, it's the hero. So, homie.
Yo, brethren! What up with thee? Blessings on your alley.
You didn't get enough, Mr. Evil?
He wants some more.
Surely I say unto you dudes, I do not wish to fight. So as soon as you apologize and make a full reckoning of your transgressions, I shall absolve you and continue along the path of righteousness.
What are you talking about, man? You want me and the homies to apologize, right? All right, go. I'll tell you what. We'll apologize. The day a monkey comes out my butt, then you get your sorry. How about that?
What a coincidence! Because that's today.